Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video we are going to learn how to use VLOOKUP for data retrieval in Excel. If you're new to Excel, VLOOKUP is an Excel function that allows you to research for value in one column of your data and return a corresponding value from another column in that same table. And this can also apply if you're using two different sheets. You can get data from one sheet and use it in the other sheet. So in the context of this video, we have our sales data on the sales data sheet. We also have price list on our price list sheet. So we are going to be using the two data to calculate. In the sales data, we'll be calculating the total revenue that was used. Total revenue. So we will actually get to see for this product A, B, C to E, and their corresponding prices. We'll get to know the amount of money this person made if this is the quantity that he sold for each product. We will use VLOOKUP for this, so you could use it in different other contexts if you need to know the professions of people. Just the data for you may be different, but the same way to use VLOOKUP is the same. Let's start. Go click on your total revenue column, that is column C or C2. Once you click on it, use your equal sign to start your Excel function and then type your VLOOKUP. You can click on your tab on your laptop so you can get the formula quick. Once you click on it, a small pop-up down here will come that says you've got your lookup value, your table array, your index number, and the range lookup. So these are the things that we need in order to make sure that we have everything working out well. So the first thing you'll do, you will click to product, the product that you need, that is A2. Type in a comma to separate the element of your Excel function, and then once you're done with that, move on to price list, because now you need to get all the range of the data that you need for this formula. So ensure everything has been selected. In this case, we are selecting both product, price, including the headings. So on top here, you'll have A1 to B6. Give it a comma as well. And then you need to ensure that you type the column in which the price that you need is on. In this case, column A is 1, column B is 2, C3, and more like that. So in this case, we'll type 2 because our price is on column 2, and then type in comma again, and you have to, at this stage, you have to say whether you would need an exact match or an approximate match. If you type in true, it means that you will get a certain number but it's not 100% what you need. So type in false. Some people try to skip it, but something that's not what you need. And then now, since this is the formula that you need, but now you'll have to multiply it with, you move back to your sales sheet, and multiply it with now the quantities that you need. This is going to be B2, and then click on on enter, and see you've got 50, and then click and drag all the way to the last one, and here you have everything you need. You see, so now we have our total revenue. If you could do this the manual way, you could have just said for product A, which cost 10, let's say $10, this person sold 5 pieces, so 10 by 5 you get 50, and same goes for product B all the way to product E. So that's how you use your VLOOKUP for data retrieval in Excel using different sheets. It's the same if you are using the same data in the same sheet. So just ensure that you use the formula as it is. You don't skip a bit of the formula, and if you just understand every bit of the formula, then you're good to go. Thank you very much for watching, and again, if you like this video, leave us a thumbs up, a comment in the comment section, and see you again in the next video. Bye bye.